Hello, let's learn about the GRN screen. We can go to the GRN screen through WMS from the Increff homepage. GRN stands for Goods Receipt Note. GRN is a record of goods received at the point of receipt of stock. By default, the toggle button, Bulk GRN, or Pre-printed Item ID will allow the user to print the item ID one by one. Normal GRN. Scan Inward Box ID. Scan Client SKU ID. Item code will be printed. Scan the printed item code. When the item code is scanned, the item is in the new status. Item attributes will be displayed. Compare the physical product with the attributes mentioned. If every attribute is the same, it is QC pass. Otherwise, it is QC fail. If the item is QC pass, then print the QC pass bin ID. Scan the QC pass bin ID. When the bin ID is scanned, the item moves to GRN status. Place the item in the scan bin. Let us see the example of how to mark the item QC fail. Scan the parameters. Item code will be printed. Scan the item code. Item attributes will be displayed. Compare the physical product with the attributes mentioned. If every attribute is the same, it is QC pass. Otherwise, it is QC fail. If the item is QC fail, the QC fail reason is also to be selected from the drop-down option. Select the QC fail reason. Click on Mark to mark the item QC fail. To print the QC fail bin ID, click on Print QC fail bin ID. Scan QC fail bin ID. Configurations. This feature allows setting local configurations. Scannable field for GRN. Items can be GRN using custom attributes instead of client SKU ID when products do not have client SKU ID stickers. Then scannable field will be custom SKU attribute. Bulk or pre-printed item code GRN. When this is on, item sticker will not be printed on a scan of the client's SKU ID. This is useful when doing GRN for products having Increff item code stickers pasted at the manufacturing factory. Skip IN or client SKU ID scan while GRN. When this is on, item can be GRN with Inward Box ID and Increff item code. This is useful when you don't want to validate client SKU ID quickly GRN using Increff item code only. This is also useful for GRN of B2B return goods having Increff item code sticker already present. New item status GRN. Suppose the system got refreshed after scanning the item ID. The item got stuck in the new status. To process those items, enable the toggle of GRN of new status item. While retrying these items, there is no need to scan the client SKU ID and Inward Box ID. GRN of extra status items. When this is on, this configuration will allow the GRN of the extra items in a new PO. Thanks for watching the video. To know more details about GRN, please refer to the document in the video description.